So we're busy unboxing back here in the warehouse all the new goodies that arrived this week, and I had to stop for a second just to show you guys a sampling of the things that came in. So this is some of the stock merchandise, but check out this end table and this beautiful blue stain color, a very unique piece, but blue is a timeless color. You can obviously see that I'm attracted to blue and have picked out some of the blue arrivals that have come this week. But I paired it with a green lamp. This also just arrived. I love this color palette and it's really trending right now. We're seeing a lot of clients asking for blues and greens mixed together. I just love that timeless palette. And how about these dining chairs? So there's a beautiful dining chair with this nail head pattern across the back. I absolutely love this from Hickory Chair. Also comes in a counter stool, so this material is completely wipeable. So talk about family friendly and chic style, form and function, 2 thumbs up for sure. And this was a special order for a client, super fun project. And we have all this gorgeous artwork. The clients love colors, so we did this really vibrant stripe. And again, another wipeable material because these are going to be host and hostess chairs at a breakfast nook material. So family friendly, fun, lots of color, lots of style, so many great things in this week. You got to come see it for yourself.